Hi, my name is Lauren and we are here in the Amoretti Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to break our typical routine of all things sweets and drinks, and I'm bringing you a delicious savory recipe. We are going to be making mango habanero salsa. This is perfect for the summertime, which is thankfully right around the corner. It's a great recipe to make for all of those upcoming barbecues, pool parties, you name it. Great for any type of celebration. And it's really easy to make. I'm going to be adding the delicious mango flavor using our mango beverage infusion. Beverage infusions originally were created for just beverage use, but they're also great to use in things like this, like a salsa. You can use it in marinades, you can use it in barbecue sauces, hot sauces, you name it, it's just up to your imagination. And the great thing about it too is this is packed full of real mango as well. So you're really getting that fresh fruit and you don't have to use very much. So I'm ready to start making some salsa. I tried this recipe out yesterday, absolutely delicious, and all of my friends here at Amoretti devoured it, so you know it's good. So this is a super easy recipe. We're pretty much just gonna throw everything into the blender here. If you wanna add a little bit extra touch of like a charred flavor to this, you can take your tomatoes and habanero, you can grill them or blister them a little bit on a saute pan. But today we're gonna do it the quick and easy way because I really want to dig into this because it's so good. So first we're gonna add in our onions. And if you don't have a blender, maybe you have a food processor, you can use that as well, whatever you have on hand. Pop in our tomatoes. Some habaneros in there. I have a little garlic because you need to have garlic. And of course we have here a little bit of cilantro. The cilantro, it's up to you. I personally am not a huge fan of cilantro, so I tend to go a little bit lighter on it. If you love cilantro, just by all means add more. You can adjust this to taste. You can add more habanero if you want, more lime, more spices, all up to your imagination. And don't worry, as soon as I turn this on, everything's gonna get chopped up. It's just my pieces I did not cut up small enough, I guess. So I have 2 limes here. And again, adjust. If you don't want a lime forward flavor, use 1.5. And last, I'm going to be adding in the star here, our mango beverage infusion. I'm going to be doing 4 pumps. All right, I'm gonna turn this on and do a first blend, and then we're gonna add in some more tomatoes and some green chilies and our spices. So now we're going to add in some canned tomatoes with the juice there. And it goes. And our green chilies. Oh my gosh, it smells so good already too. You can really smell that mango and you can really get a good sense of the spice because you can really smell the habanero in there. Just a little cumin and now just some salt. In typical salsa recipes, you'll want to add in some sort of a sweetener, but because our beverage infusion is sweet, we don't need to add that in. It does it for us, so we get to skip a step here. Pop this back on, give it another blend. And at this point, I recommend taste your salsa, see if you want to add any more spice, see if you want any more cumin, lime, maybe you want a little bit more mango to it. This is a great time to just play around, add your finishing touches to it. I made this yesterday. This is exactly how I like it. So I'm just gonna pour it into a bowl and dig in. All right, so there you have it, mango habanero salsa featuring our mango beverage infusion. That was a super easy recipe to make, probably 20 minutes total with cutting everything up, putting it in the blender and getting it into the bowl. So it's a super easy recipe, really delicious and great for the summertime. So let's give it a try. That is absolutely incredible. That one habanero gave it a nice touch of spice. If you are a spice lover, by all means, add another habanero, half a habanero, maybe throw some jalapenos in, get crazy, have fun, because you're gonna be making this recipe all summer long. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you never miss new recipes like this, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. You can also find us on social media as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time.